Hello, today we will guide you through how to deploy Cloudflare workers. To begin, open your Cloudflare account homepage in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Starting from the account homepage is helpful because it gives you access to all of Cloudflare's services from one central location. If your dashboard looks slightly different, that's normal, since interfaces can change over time, but the general layout and options should still be very similar. Once you're on the account homepage, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Compute. This section is where Cloudflare groups together its serverless and edge computing tools, so this is the right place to go when you want to create and deploy a worker. After that, click on Workers and Pages. This area is used for both Cloudflare workers and static site deployments. So if you're building a lightweight application, testing code at the edge, or deploying simple web content, you'll find the tools you need here. Next, go to the top right corner of the page and click Create Application. This will open the setup flow for creating a new project. At this stage, Cloudflare will present a few different ways to get started depending on what you want to deploy. From there, choose. Start with Hello World, select a template, or upload your static files. The option you choose depends on your goal. If you want a quick test deployment, Hello World is a great starting point. If you want some structure already in place, a template can save time. And if you already have prepared static files, uploading them may be the fastest path. Take a moment here to choose the option that best matches your project. Once your selection is ready, click Deploy. Cloudflare will begin creating and publishing your application. This step may take a few moments, so wait for the deployment to complete before moving on. When it finishes, you should be taken to the application's details or production view. Finally, click Edit Code at the top if you want to make changes to your worker after deployment. This is where you can update logic, adjust responses, or continue developing your application directly in the Cloudflare interface. It's a convenient way to iterate quickly without leaving the dashboard. That's it. You've now gone through the basic process of deploying a Cloudflare worker, from opening the dashboard to launching it and accessing the code editor for further updates.